This is so exciting. Welcome back to another Mermaid Monday where we talk about everything mermaid. So today I am currently staying at my parents' house where I have received my new Mertailor Whimsy tail. I did get the Fantasy Fin 3 and I was going to have them ship it to me, but by the time it got to me it would already be time for me to come here anyways. So I decided to just wait an extra 2 weeks to be able to open her. Oh, and there's our little meme. That is so cute. It's the sharks from Finding Nemo saying hello. So it looks like the first thing we get is the care instructions, as well as instructions to insert the monofin, and then their business policies. And then a little PSA that they should be stored flat, not folded. Good to know. This is so exciting. Another paper. Oh, that's just the receipt. Alright, we're gonna just move this out of the way. And here we are. This is the Fantasy Fin 3 already inserted into the tail. It's kind of heavy. Here's the wonderful skin. So it has these wonderful colors of green and blue with like some teal, mint green. It has a black zipper here. It goes on the side. It goes into some pinks and magenta, and then has the stripes down it. And then blends into a teal colored waist. So as you can see, these scales are like super detailed. The monofin itself seems pretty heavy, and it is huge. This is like the same size as my silicone tail, if not a little longer. I like these little extra fin tips here too. So yeah, that is definitely the front. And then the back is pretty much the same style. The monofin's a little bit more flat on the back. And then goes back up into pretty much same design. So it's pretty much the same front and back. It just depends on how you put the monofin in. So now we are going to head to the beach so I can try this little baby on and do a fun little photo shoot. So let's head on out.